Hi, it's Rana, and I do have another unboxing. So I have not even opened this. I sliced it and then we're ready to go. So this is from Some Assemblage Required. This is the Stitching Template Club, and this is hadn't even seen, oh, this would have been so perfect for my layout just the other day. This is for the month of May, and yeah, I hadn't even seen, that's really cute too. Have not even seen any kind of sneaks or anything. I also ordered the triangle stitching template. So all of these are stitching templates. I get some every month. Just started this and I enjoy them very much, so I thought I would just share. She may do this again next year. I don't know. I know she is not taking any new subscribers. You know, you can't just join in the middle because it's a 12-month thing. So, and then this one I'm super excited about. I have been off and on trying to decide, and I finally did the thing. So I subscribed now to Color Rush Studio, and I ordered some extras when I was making my first order, and she ties it up in little frazzle. That's so cute. So I love all of the little shapes. This one is fabric, super cute. You rock with some fun stars. The little strawberries. I love it. More frazzle. These are glittery. Those are really fun. Sparkle. I have two granddaughters that definitely do. Sparkle big. Oh, and there's one on the back of this one. Oh, my stars. Oh, there was someone on the back of this one too. Boom. Super cute. Okay. Love those. And then this is this month's kit. So I will be getting a kit every month. I signed up for the acrylic kit and the main kit. So you have probably already seen some unboxings of this month's kit because I, joined late. These are really cute. I just couldn't resist this one. The lemons, the strawberries, the watermelon. So cute. These are foam. And that one is smiling, it looks like. Love it. Oh, these were extras too. No, these are part of the main kit. Yeah. Just Breathe. And then we have some strawberries. Sweet Moments. Berry Sweet. Main Squeeze and Family Life. And then we have some lemons and flowers. Super cute. All of the frazzle. And a sweet little tag. So fun. These colors are so cute. I didn't think these would match, but you know what? I think some of these will. Like that one for sure will. Maybe even this one. So cute. I got extra of the strawberries because you already saw me show that one, but I knew that wouldn't be enough with this much paper and two granddaughters. I had to have two of those. These are super cute. I should have gotten two of these too. I just want to see you. Come here. Okay. There we go. You can see the watermelons, a pineapple, and a strawberry. So cute. can't wait to dive into this. So you will probably see it very soon because I am so excited about this. The ladybugs are adorable too. Those are fun. Fun in the sun. Sticker letters. They look like little pink and red watermelons. Those are fun. And then the paper, I believe, is all from Pink Lemonade from Simple Stories. I had not ordered this, and I am so glad that I was able to get this. So pretty. I love that one. And then cut aparts. Always fantastic tags. So cute. Oh, I love that. Fantastic plaid with lemons. I love the pink in the background. The strawberries. Oh, that is sweet. A good basic. Nice flowers. I like this better. Strawberries. Oh, and another really cute gingham. That's fun. I like the gingham. And it kind of looks like triangles because of the way they've put it on the paper instead of going across. They've got the little, oh, another floral and a yellow with some more lemons and fruit. Fantastic. I'm super excited to be getting this every month. I hope to get a layout done with this very soon. Whoops. Sliding off my trimmer there because I piled up too much. Okay, and then my last box, and this is it, I promise. This is all I ordered on National Scrapbook Day or National Scrapbook Weekend. I ordered another vault sale from American Crafts. I got the flags and frills. I had not ordered this, and I saw someone else do an unboxing, and they had received this, and we do so much 4th of July stuff and always pictures. That is so super cute. I like the little sparkle in it too. So I wanted to get it. I got Cool Boy because my Hudson, my youngest grandson, I ordered this sheet of paper for some stuff that I was doing at church last year, and they didn't have, I ordered from a Cherry on Top, and they didn't have all of the whole paper pack. Cool dude. But yeah, my Hudson, I think these will be so good for him especially. And some of the younger pictures that I have of my, and then it repeats, of my older 2 grandsons. But I thought it was really sweet. I also got 2 more albums. I got 2 black and 1 more pink because they were on sale. They were cheaper here than what I paid for them. So I had to get it. I got the Cool Boy stickers, foam stickers. That is so good. You can achieve anything. These are going to be really good. This one is Sunny Blooms. What one did this go with? I think I just really liked it, and I saw it on there. I'm not sure that I have whatever it went with, but I will use them, which is crazy because, you know, I have a whole stack of, or a whole basket full of these that have nothing to go with them. And I started using a few, so I guess I thought I needed to have more. That's cute. I don't remember picking this, but I guess I did. Probably because I saw all the bows, and I love bows. So I got some blue. This went with the flags and frills that I showed you first. It's got red and blue. I like that. I don't have very many of the cursive ones that I use, so we'll see if I can get those used. But again, they were on sale. I bet this is too. Yeah, this is also with that same collection. So I got the paper, stickers, and some alphas to make my own titles and things. So that'll be good. This one was super cute. Look at that pink. I love this. So cute. This is Cool Boy. So that goes with these. And it looks like I got the ephemera, This says it's the journaling ephemera. Yeah, it has a lot of labels and things. So a couple of things from Cool Boy. I got the foam stickers and the journaling ephemera. A couple of things for that one. And then I got 2 of these because I always run out of the E's and A's, you know, and I really, really liked this. I could have used these today probably. Really, really liked this, and so I wanted to get enough that I won't just run out of them really fast. So again, I just went through so many. I should have gotten 2 of this one too. This is so cute. I like the gold. And then 2 of the little flower child. I like to use hearts, and I thought the flowers would be fun too, just little bits. I don't have the rest of this collection, I don't think. It's a Jen Hadfield one. I may have some of it actually. But anyway, I like to use those in place of enamel dots. Oh, and one last thing. I was talking the other day when I was showing you my distressing tool, the Zetter, that I'm going to have to order the little robot vacuum. Well, then I saw this one and it was on, you know, on their sale. I don't know if this one will be as good as the one that people are getting from Amazon, but we will give it a try, and I will be able to vacuum up my glitter and bits here on my desk. So I thought that was kind of fun. Why not? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I would love to see what everybody else is picking up or having come in now that National Scrapbook Day is over. If you've ordered lots of stuff, leave me a comment and let me know, and I will have some new product to play with because, you know, I'm sure I didn't have nearly enough. Thanks again. Bye-bye.